Coming to you from Westminster, Colorado at Trimble headquarters, we are here for the first ever AEMP Sustainability Summit, where we've brought together leaders in equipment management to discuss sustainability.
We're so impressed with the range of attendees, some very advanced, some just starting their sustainability journey. We've asked a few for their insights.
In the construction industry, we contribute about 38% of the CO2 that is out there, and we have the ability to move the needle the most at this point as we journey towards a greener environment. I would rather be an author of my own destiny as opposed to, waiting and getting delivered on what we're going to do. So if we don't lean in, no one else will.
The biggest thing for sustainability is the future-proofing of what we do. How to share that knowledge down to the next generation and make them better than us. There's so much technology in place from 20 years of industry I've been in. What is the next 20 years going to bring, and how are we going to be ready for that? So really future-proofing what we are currently doing.
I think it's important for a number of reasons. From an efficiency standpoint, I always like being more efficient with the resources we have. I don't want to waste unnecessary resources. I think one of the things brought up today was that war on waste. So it's being more efficient with the resources that we have, and then also conserving those resources for future generations. I'm a new dad, and I really want to make sure that I leave this place a better place for my future generations and generations preceding them.
It's really important to me, and it's really important to our industry. Is really the bigger piece for me. The thing I've learned on my sustainability journey is that our industry needs to be able to come together. We need to be able to raise the tide for all of our industry. So mine is a little bit bigger focus. I feel like we can make an impact, really impact our industry in a big way.
The best is we have a heck of a mix of companies, whether it's small, medium, large, US-based, nationwide, worldwide, different industries. So there's oil and gas, mining, heavy civil. Everyone's doing something a little bit different, and with that we have different technologies in place, different people doing those roles. So it's the sharing of ideas, no matter what company we work for.
Yeah, I think it's that collaboration and networking and just getting people in the industry talking about it. I think a lot of people are doing great work, but we're very modest as equipment managers, and sometimes I think we're so busy we forget to kind of really look back and identify what we're already doing, and a lot of this falls under this sustainability lens already. So it's just really reminding ourselves all the great work we're doing, and then what's the path going forward to make progress on our sustainability goals.
We're going to have a more sustainable operation, and there's specific targets that we as a corporation have put in place on where we're going to get there. Is the journey clear right now? No, but it will be.
The big thing we've taken is our people. Can't really duplicate what we have with people. There's a finite amount of them, so we're really pushing on training, a lot of internal training. We have over 80 hours per person dedicated each year. It's just training our own people to be better and not just hiring from the outside. We have to make the people we have better.
Yeah, I think I'm in a unique position compared to other companies here. I work for LA County Sanitation Districts. We manage landfills, transfer stations, as well as wastewater assets in Los Angeles, servicing 5.5 million people. And really what our mission statement is converting waste into resources. So we're actually a carbon negative organization as well. Recycling a lot of wastewater that we process. We're converting those biosolids into a renewable or reusable compost product. And then we're doing a lot on electrification or alternative fuels to convert the biogas that we create from landfills or digesters and using that to operate our vehicles.
Yeah, so our organization really is in the infancy stages as it relates to sustainability. We have gathered a lot of data. I've learned a lot being a part of the Sustainability Task Force, and just continuing to grow daily, basically, continuing to grow daily.
I think everyone's in the learning stage right now. They're trying to figure out which way's up. I think a lot of our industry are farther down the track than they understand or believe that they are.
This is the next generation, and it's right on our doorstep. AI can write these reports for us. We just have to make sure the data is correct and the sets that it comes in. And we're going to have very accurate data in, I think, the very near future.
And I think we're really seeing a lot of new fuel types, one being the electrification piece, two being the hydrogen piece. We've got a couple of different ways to use hydrogen through internal combustion engines or fuel cells. So we're seeing a lot of alternative fuels coming onto the market, but we're seeing a lot of autonomy as well. And how do we operate machines without the skilled workforce, or how do we repair machines without the skilled workforce?
The exciting part for me is what AEMP is doing in this industry right now. We are catching the industry's attention. We are hopefully in the lead or in the lead pack of really helping drive our industry to make our industry better, more sustainable industry.